guys, we're at the vehicle, and it's real simple. You just go under the dash, find the data link connector, plug into it. The code reader will automatically power up as soon as it detects power at that data link connector right there. In this case, we're going to go ahead and read codes. So that's the screen that it will show you as soon as it's powered up. You just click on OBD-II. It's communicating with the computer. It doesn't matter either one, yes or no. Alright, so here's your diagnostic menu. You have several options. Read codes at the top, erase codes, live data, view freeze frame, IM readiness, which is your emission readiness monitors, and there's a couple other tests down there. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and read the codes. If your check engine light's on, you want to go ahead and see what's stored in the computer. So you could go to stored codes on top or pending codes. Try this one first. And in this case, there's no codes in the computer, so it'll tell you no codes are stored in the module. It'll just kick you back to the screen. You're going to look at pending codes, it'll say the same thing. This vehicle does run good, like I said, and there's no check engine light on. So it's as simple as that. Foxwell NT204. Thanks for watching, guys.